Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to transfer your Roblox account to another phone without using your email or password, this is the safest and easiest method. Roblox has a built-in feature called Quick Sign-In that allows you to log into a new device using a one-time code. First, open the Roblox app on your old phone where your account is already logged in. Make sure you are properly signed into your account. Now tap on More at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you see Quick Sign In. Tap on it. You will now see a screen asking for a code. Leave this screen open and do not close the app. Now take the new phone where you want to transfer your Roblox account. Install and open the Roblox app. Tap on Login. Instead of entering your username and password, tap on Quick Sign In. A one-time code will appear on the new phone screen. This code is temporary and will expire if not used quickly. Now go back to your old phone. Enter the code exactly as shown on the new device. Tap on Confirm. Within a few seconds, your Roblox account will automatically open on the new phone. All your progress, items, friends, and Robux will remain the same because everything is stored on Roblox servers. This method works only if you still have access to the old logged-in device. If you lost that device, you will need to recover your account using email or support. That is how you transfer your Roblox account to another phone without email or password using Quick Sign In. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more real Roblox fixes and tutorials.